Hi Bean Beauties, Dee Dee Bean here. How are you doing today? Thank you so much for coming by today. Thank you so much for all my new subscribers. Thank you for all those who have been here from the beginning. I greatly appreciate it. And as part of my appreciation to my viewers, you don't have to be subscribed. It can, if you just watch my videos, even if you just watch for the first time and you would like a free little gift. By the time this video goes up, I don't know if I'll have any magnets yet left. I don't even have one here to show y'all, I don't think. If you are still wanting one, please let me know. But there's also this sticker, and I had them laminated, and they're supposed to be waterproof, as they're supposed to be, so that you could put them on your cups. And let me know how many you want. I have about 100 of these, so if you want, you know, 1 or 2, 3 or 4, you know, that's first come, first serve. And I think I have about 100 of them. And I just started talking about these. I gave out a few when I mailed out the magnets, but this will be 2 weeks from that last mail out. So as of today, when I'm filming today is almost midnight on February the 8th. So this is going to go up in a week from today. Then I may or may not have magnets left, but I will have plenty of these left. Okay, thank you very much. Now, the reason y'all are here, I'm sure, is because maybe I'll actually do a what fits on a separate video with this. Can you believe it? Me doing a what fits. I never do what fits. But I am curious as to see what will fit in here and what I need. I've got to make sure that I put in here what I need, and then y'all can kind of go from there to see what might work or not work. You know, when you go out somewhere, that's all I want is I need something to carry my phone, that I don't have to keep it in my hand, and I need to carry my medications, and I need to have my ID, medical cards, driver's license, things like that. Just the bare necessities when you're, you know, kind of going and out on the town kind of handbag for me. She's too pretty. She's so pretty, but we'll see. I will see. I took my cell phone case off, and I wanted to see if it fits in here because I don't know if it does or doesn't. We'll find out. We'll find out together. It fits on the back one. See, there we go. And it'll also, let's see if it'll fit in the front. And it'll also fit in the front. Now, my phone is a iPhone 14 Pro Max, so it's the biggie. I really like it. So most likely I will carry my phone in the front, and then back here I will put different items. Let me see if I have anything real quick to put in there. Okay, so here's my Jenny. Yeah, I won't be able to put pouches in, so everything will have to go in individually. So as much as I hate it, like if you want to put, you can put a lipstick in it, and here's my little Dior perfume, and that goes in there. All this, which I don't carry on a daily basis. Let me see. What would I carry? I could put those cards there. Well, here's a gift card, so I can put a gift card there. That fits. So here, where my phone's at, you know, you have the cards there. Back here, I have a lipstick and a perfume. And then I have, here's my purse. Hold on a second. I am still in my in this bag. Okay, so out of this stuff, okay, let's see what I could fit in here that I actually carry. So I have my Dior lip balm, lipstick, whatever it is that I have. And I like to keep this in my purse because it's pretty. It's pretty. I have tissues that I can probably put in the front. I would have to use, well, I would need my, this is my I won this off of Ed's giveaway. And at the time I had no keys to use it. I was trying to find different ways of using it. But since then I've got a P.O. box. If I told you I have a P.O. box now. And I actually found the keys to the P.O. box. So I try to keep that with me all the time because we need to pop over there and check that. I need to list it below. And then out of my carry case, I have to carry these, my medications. So I would have to be doing Tetris here. What else is in here that I use on? I do use my lip gloss. This one is the Soft Lips lip chapstick. So I guess depending on where I would go, probably take that out. And like if we went somewhere fancy, I would use my smaller ones. So here is my smaller, it's the coconut balm, lip balm. I love this. And hand cream. It's just the CVS hand cream. And those I try not to go without those, which it is a tight fit, which I might not be able to use my keys, but if I was able to, because I would need my driver's license, I need my driver's license and my medical cards, which this is what this is. So yeah, I would not be able to take the key clay, but I could use this, which is the Dooney card case that has my medical cards, and I can't stand them up. You have to lay them sideways. And let's see. So if you keep your phone in here, you're not going to have room for a lot. So this is just like, what do you have to have? So I'm wondering, we're invited to, or actually invited, although it's a late night and I don't even know if I'm going to be able to make it, but we said yes. So hopefully we can stay awake. So no lipsticks, no perfumes. So what I have in here is my cell phone. I have tissue and a lip chapstick, hand cream, my medications, and I have a card case. Basically, you have to be real choosy with what you decide you want to put in here. Whoa. So I got to get your small stuff. So this is definitely, if you're going to keep your phone in here, then you're going to have a lot less room. But if you don't have your phone in here, if you keep it in your pocket, then you have all of this room to add to it. Then I probably I would move some things around, move this to the front. Then I could carry my keys. And actually what I would do is, instead of separate these pills, I would just put them in here and just take one. That's what I would do. So then this can go back here. And then I could take a perfume, or I could take a, or I could take these pills too, just put them up here in the front. And so you could take a lipstick. I would have room for a lipstick. And you'd even have room for, I have room for the perfume and the second medicine container. I don't want to add stress to the pocket. Okay. I couldn't take this lipstick, it's too tall. But I probably could take this one. Yeah, I could take that one. So it's just a matter of trying to find what would fit. I don't think that's adding a lot of stress to it. It might be bulging a little bit in the back. I'm wondering if it's the, yeah, that's better. I just rearranged a little bit. So here's the front, the side, and see it probably right there. It's the key. It's my key. It's this. It's just too big. So. Okay, that feels a little bit better. It gives it. I still have to work on it a little bit more for y'all. So, I mean, it's gonna fit what I need. Hi. It's gonna fit what I need. I just have to decide what it is that I need. I'm looking at the stitching. The stitching looks good, but I'm definitely putting stress on it, and I don't want to do that because all I need is for, yeah, that's better. Okay, so I'll need to downsize this and use those put my ID card in there and insurance card and kind of play with that. Other than that, it works fine. That's more what I need. I don't ever touch up my lipstick. I go out of the house and get dressed and fix my hair and do all that kind of stuff when I leave the house, but I really don't ever, I don't put extra perfume on. I don't do extra makeup. I don't touch up my makeup. I don't touch, it is what it is until I come home, and that's it. That's it. So I think she's beautiful. I love her. I love her. She's definitely a keeper. I'm going to keep her, and I want to use her. And I think I'm going to use her, try and use her this Friday night. Although, no, I just got to use her. And if she gets dirty, I just have to clean her up. That's it. I just have to clean her up. I'm like, ooh, what about transfer? What about, no, just got to use it. I still want the black and gold, and a 20. I'd like, because this is a wristlet, so this is smaller than a 20. So I just don't know. I just don't know if a 26 would be too big, and the price point is so high right now that for me, it's, you know, it's so high. I'm like, I hate to buy it and it's not the size that I want, and I have to go through the trouble of returning and all that stuff. It's just, that's just such a pain for me. But I'm looking out, maybe somebody bought it and, you know, didn't want it, and maybe I could try it for a lesser price point. I don't know. I can dream. I'm manifesting it out there. I can dream. I'm still looking. All right, Bean Beauties, thank you so much for coming by and visiting. Extend the invitation as well. If you'd like a sticker, and you can still, if I still have magnets, feel free to ask for one. And you know, by the time this airs, see if I still have magnets or not available. Please feel free to ask for them. You just have to email me at beanbeautybagsit@yahoo.com or Instagram me at beanbeautybagsit. DM me, and I'll be happy to get you a sticker out. Let me know how many you want, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me know. Stickers will go great on your mugs. Also, you know, you can just have one to have one, not necessarily put them out there. So it's just a thank you gift from me to you. All right, everybody. Thank y'all very much for coming by once again, and I greatly appreciate it. Love y'all. Bye-bye.